morning, everyone. I'm Okta Hilaria. I'm staff reporter from BBC Radio. I'm currently at the location of Ketungau Road, and which was severely damaged due to heavy rainfall. I'm accompanied by a local resident. What is the impact of the road damage on a daily life of residents?
Before the rain, the road was still in the good conditions, but after the heavy rain, the road was destroyed. I almost got stuck in the mud when I tried to cross the road. This road is the main access to the Ketungau River and school. With the damaged road, residents have difficulty carrying out daily activities. Children are also late for school.
What are your hopes for the government to repair this road?
I hope the government will soon repair this road so that residents can carry out activities normally again.
Okay, thank you, Miss, for your information.
Yes.
Okay, this is a condition of Ketungau Road. No. Okay, I think that's all from me. I'm Okta from BBC Radio. Goodbye.